Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat in your maths class with your maths teacher, Mr. Zana. So students, as you know that we are doing the topic of, time. We are doing the topic of time nowadays. So let's see what are the objectives of today's lesson. The objectives of this lesson that you will be able to add and subtract different times. After watching this video, you will be feeling easier in adding and subtracting different given times. But before that, we have to have a short recap of the previous important points. As you know, we use a clock or a watch to measure time. And there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. If there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Short form of minute is min, small m, small I, and small n. And short form of r is hr, small h and small r. This is a clock which is having the numbers from 1 to 12. The longer hand is called minute hand, and the smaller hand or the shorter hand is called hour hand. This is a digital clock. As you are already familiar that we are discussing two types of clocks: analog clock, digital clock. And to distribute the minutes in an analog clock, we use 5 times table. It makes our work easier. Between two numbers, the interval is equal to, or the space is equals to 5 minutes. So when minute hand moves from 12 to 1, that means it has passed 5 minutes. But if our hand crosses this area, we say it has covered 1 hour. Now, look at this question. It's an addition question in time. We will write the hours in their column and minutes in their columns. After writing these amounts, we will start adding. As you know, what is 0 plus 0? Yes, 0. What is 4 plus 1? Very good, 5. 10 plus 2, or you can say 0 plus 2 is 2 and 1 as it is. So 10 plus 2 will give you 12. So your answer will be 12 hours and 50 minutes. It's very simple addition. But look at, very well done. Excellent answers given by you. So look at this question. Now you can see when I add these numbers, I get 45 and plus 55 give me 100 minutes. But we are already familiar that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So whenever we are having a number more than 60 minutes here, we will convert that 60 minutes into hours. So 60 minutes will be taken out from this 100. When you take out 60 minutes out of these 100 minutes, you will get 40, and this 40 will be written in minutes column. Rest of the 60 minutes will be taken to the next column, but not in the form of 60. When you take these 60 minutes in hours column, it will make 1 hour. So 60 minutes will be taken to this one side, but after making 1 hour of this one. 60 minutes will be changed to 1 hour. So this 1 hour will be taken to this hours column. Now we can add this 1 hour with these given hours. 3 plus 1, 4, and 4 plus 1, 5. Yes, very good. So our final answer will be 5 hours and 40 minutes. So whenever you are having 60 minutes, more than 60 minutes, or 60 minutes, you can make or convert that 60 minutes into hours, and you can shift it over here, making their hours. Now look at this subtraction sum. 53 is greater than 25, so you can easily subtract. 3 cannot subtract 5, so you will borrow from 5, and it will become 4, and 3 will become 13. 13 minus 5 will give you 8. 4 minus 2 will give you, very good, 2. And 8 minus 3 will give you, very well done, 5. So your final answer is 5 hours, 28 minutes. Well done. Now look at another subtraction question. Here you can see this 45 is smaller than 55. We cannot subtract 55 from 45. But as we have been doing in simple subtraction sum, we carry from here or we carry from this one. But this is not the same. We have to carry 1 from here because 5 minus 5 is 0, but 4 cannot subtract 5. So you will have to borrow from r's. But when you take 1 hour from this side and you convert it into minutes, so you take it to minutes column, it will not be 1, simple 1. It will be 1 hour will be equal to 60 here because now it is in minutes column. Take 1 hour from this side, it will become 2 now, and 1 hour will be taken to this one side. When you bring 1 hour here, it will not be 1 hour. You will consider it 60 minutes because now that 1 hour is in 6 minutes column. So 60 plus 45 is equals to 105. Now from 105, you can easily subtract 55. 105 minus 55 will give you simply 50. These 50 minutes will be written here. And 2 hours minus 1 hour will give you. Very good. Well done. So please consider this point that whenever you are having smaller amount here, to subtract the bigger amount, you carry or you borrow from our side. But when you borrow from our side, it will become as a 60 minutes here. And that 60 minutes and that previous number of the minute is added with each other. And then we do the subtraction from the final addition answer. So students, watch this video again and again so that you can understand the concept of addition and subtraction in time. Thank you so much for joining. Stay safe and blessed. Allah Hafiz to all of you.